Today we are going to make a frog. We will separate the body into several different parts, shaping them and finally put them together. We will do first the central body, the head, the legs, the arms, and finally the two big eyes. Just remember, the frog has 5 toes in the rear and only 4 up front. These pictures will show the frog from different angles. This is from above, profile, and this is the front. If it helps, you can find the templates on my website. Let's get the children and start sculpting.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the continuing video of Claydates. And today we're going to make my favorite animal, the frog.
So we are going to use low fire clay. We have a nice big ball of clay, and then we're going to fire in an electric kiln later. But if you do not have electric kiln or clay, you can always use Play-Doh or plasticine, or even make your own clay. There's a tons of recipe in YouTube. Also, we are going to use this wood piece of wood, and then it's easier for us to rotate the sculpture so we can see on the sides, from above, on the back, on the front, so we have a three-dimensional picture. And then we're going to use wooden tools also, such as these, rounded head or sharp head, but please make sure you have a grown-up present when you're using any kind of sharp tools.
So let's get started.
Let's get started our clay date. So we do have a big ball of clay, and then we're going to pull off almost half of it, okay? So
I don't think I'm gonna do exactly. I need this tool so I can cut it.
And then I encourage you to use your finger and then fingers, because this is our best tools. I always say that. So we're going to form a ball.
Yep.
Oh, that's right. I'm very good. Now I'm going to shape a ball.
Oh, a ball? A ball.
That's right. Just like that.
Okay, I'm gonna make a nice mirror. Yeah.
Cool.
Nice. It's a big body. It's
Good.
Gonna be a big
Use your two hands and you can.
I really like the giant frogs because I like the fat frogs because they're so cute.
Yeah. Who has the nice ball already?
Me.
Now we're going to just a little bit roll between our hands, so it becomes kind of a cylinder shape. Okay. All right. And then now we're going to point it out the tail by tapping around. Now we don't have to have a too sharp pointy tail, just
Is that good?
it's perfect. Perfect.
I think I'm done.
Perfect. Wonderful. So this is just like so.
Like this.
Like that. That's right.
Okay, so next step is the head.
That's right. So we put it aside and we put again a chunk of clay, and you don't have to have that big.
And then roll it into a ball like we did with the body. But you don't have to straighten it out. Just leave it like a ball.
Leave it like a ball. That's right.
In the world like a ball. I like frogs. Yeah, I just love frogs. They're just so cute and they like.
I love the frog sounds. Like I can't repeat that. I'm sorry. That's just funny. Okay, so we do have the ball.
So here's my head.
That's my head. So we are going to tap the top and the bottom. So like you see, it's much flatter.
I think I got mine. So here's mine.
Excellent. And then yes, we do tap a little bit this side, but not too much because we don't want really pointy like a snake head. No.
What is?
Okay. So something like that. This is how it's looked from above.
Yes,
That's the side.
Mine to the head.
Okay.
Okay, and then put it to the side.
Put it to the side.
Could we make?
That's right. We make the legs.
I'm going to like.
Very good. Yes, my darling.
So in some of my practice videos, it was a little hard for me to do the legs. I did it all the wrong way, but I think now I kind of get it how.
Yeah, me too.
So
Okay, we can make it first the body parts, and then after we join together finally.
so
okay?
we said there's 8 body parts.
That's right, 8 body parts. So
Okay.
we're going to make the legs.
The leggies start with a worm.
Yeah, start with a worm.
Right.
So we're making N letter shape, really. Okay, so it's like this. Like, sorry,
Like
it's
that.
like N. Like see.
Okay. I have my N.
Did you got your N letter shape too, Ryan?
Not a capital. My
That's
N.
a capital N. That's right.
Capital now.
N.
Okay. What do we do with our capital N, miss?
Okay, so we name it.
Name it.
Name it. This is the inside part, middle part, and outside part. Okay. So now you grab the body. Okay. And then you see the tail part here. Now we're going to add our inside part of the clay. Okay. I show you like this. The main thing, the outside part is pointing the head, which is going to be here. Okay, and the inside part is going to attach into the body, so we can work it in, just like that.
I think I need to restart mine because it's just keep on breaking the leg.
That's the trickiest part.
Yes. Yeah, the leg is a little tricky. That's why this mine of my leg was pointing this way, not the right way.
Nice, in a right way. Okay. So now we just kind of work the inside part into the clay body, and the outside part going to be flat. So you're going to
Flatten?
flatten that part,
Oh, I flattened it.
because this will be the toes. I'm
Oh,
going to
yes.
make little toes later, but now we just fold
I
it
finally did it.
under the middle part, and something like that.
Look what I made. I did
Bravo! Exactly.
Okay, so
Very
I'm
good.
gonna make my other leg now.
That's right. So make sure it's well attached into the body, okay?
Yes.
Because we don't want to fall.
Yeah, while it's
That's right.
drying. Yeah, drying.
Okay.
So-
And then exactly we're going to do the other side the same way. Okay. Going to make an roller. Use a clay.
Oh man. Okay. So now I'm gonna make my N.
Letter N.
Comment down below if you know like frogs. Comment down below your favorite frog. I think mine is the opposite direction.
Yes, the other side, very good, in opposite direction.
No,
The main thing what you have to keep in mind, the inside part is always pointing with the back, and then the outside is pointing where
Head.
the head is. Yes, that's right. And so we're going to work it in the inside part of that leggies.
Okay. So now I flatten it. I think mine looks pretty good.
Great, I mean.
Ryan, this looks great. It's not done
That's
yet.
wonderful.
We know it. So
That's great.
is everybody done?
So we're going to fold the outside under the middle part.
Froggy! Wow!
Excellent, Ryan. Excellent.
Could we get to the next step? Can I?
Okay,
The
well,
arms.
we can make, that's right, the details later. So we are not
Yes.
going to spend time with the details.
Next step is the hands. No, the arms.
Okay, so I think the next step would be to join the head
I did it.
and, yeah, you are already did. The head and the body together. Okay,
Okay.
and then I like to push the two parts.
I'm just making a snake, a little snake. to attach
That's
to.
right, that's a very good.
This is
And like you see, I have to fill it up this part here. So what I'm going to do, I just grab a clay, grab some clay, and I'm going around. and then I just fill it up.
Okay. Oh,
That gap.
man, mine is totally
All
breaking.
right. Yeah, you have to be sure that it's really well attached, because when it's drying and if it's not well attached, it can
Fall.
fall off.
And,
from the
oh,
chocolate.
and also,
That's right.
no else falls.
Okay.
Okay. So mine's not. Mine is done. Attached. Why is it
Ooh,
thinner?
great.
Can we make the arms?
Yeah. So the next will be the arms.
You just like. Okay, I think I'm done. Can we use the arm now? So like, all you have to do is just make this tiny little line, and that's it. I don't even know how to make the arms.
The arms is just like same like the
Leggies.
the legs. So we are going to shape.
What? An N.
But this time we just have to have an L shape, like you see, an L shape.
Yeah.
Okay. And then like this.
I just want to look at it came out of the water. Like he's sitting there.
And
I do not have a lot of room. So.
And like you see, I'm going to attach between the leg and the neck. Something like that.
Like this?
Like this.
Okay.
Just it was a little bit too long, right? Just you don't have to have that.
Yeah, mine is. I don't know what is this. If it's
Yes. Oh, that's great. But we do have two very important body parts we have to attach.
Yeah.
Who knows what is
Eyes.
this too? The eyes, that's right. Because the frog is not frog without two big ball eyes, that's right. So
Okay.
I'm going to, oh, first I have to make my hand too, because I was
So I'll.
talking too much and then I was...
Forgot.
Okay, so we're going to shape two little sphere, two ball, okay, two ball shape just like that. One, and then we're going to attach.
I love making
The
the
head.
Yes.
Great! Oh, I'm so happy for this project. I know it will turn out really, really good. Okay.
I'm gonna come out say froggy, please.
This is just so cute.
Okay.
Okay.
I got my frog, and I think I got my frog. I'm just gonna smooth it out. I'm going to make the eye. This tool helps a lot to smooth it out. Also your fingers, but my fingers, I'll just like.
How is it? Isn't it cute?
Yeah.
Very cute.
Because mine looks more like it's swimming.
I think I'm going to add a little bit more play in the middle part of my leg because something like that, because mine is a little bit thin. I mean, my little frog, his leg is thin, and then I'm going to repeat the other side as well. Okay, something like that.
Okay.
Lovely. And how about you? Oh, that's great.
That's so good.
Very good.
I want to make it on a lily pad because I need a base for it in case it like falls apart.
So we are going to use some tools to make some fingers and toes for our little one. Okay, our
Or
frog. You
froggy.
know, the toes and the tails. Excellent, Ryan. Excellent.
So comment down below what you want us to make next.
We are going to come back when our frog is fired in electric and we're going to give some color to the sculpture.
Hi everyone. So we had a successful firing with our frog, and today we're going to glaze it.
What do we need is glaze. Now we do have different colors. I'm going to make a green frog. I'm going to use a Duncan bottle green, evergreen and yellow.
And I'm going to make a poison dart frog. It's blue and it has black spots. So I'm going to be making an also poison dart frog. It's going to be those ones with all blue and it has red legs.
If you would like to follow my colors, then I'm going to show you right now. This is the example what I try to achieve. So yeah, let's get started. We do have brush also, water of course, and a piece of sponge clean the excess glaze so it won't stick.
So let's get started.
Let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to start first with
I'm starting with the blue.
a bottle green. Okay.
And if you guys are wondering why my mom is, if you guys are wondering like why is she calling it green, because some glaze doesn't look like the color it's going to be. Some kind of green is like, looks like a gray, but when you put it in the can at a high enough temperature, it will turn into a green.
So like you see, the glaze is gray color right now, but under 1900 Fahrenheit it turned into a beautiful glossy green color, and then I cannot wait to see the result. It's important to apply 3 coats of glaze if you would like to have a beautiful look.
Pretty good.
Okay, so I finished 1 coat with a bottle green, and then now I'm going to apply the evergreen color. So I'm so interested how it will look like in the end.
Me too. Me too. So I finally finished glazing my frog.
Wow.
Is there something wrong with this?
No, that's fine. That's very fine what you're doing.
So here it is. It's a here's my frog.
Nice. I'm not ready yet, but I will come back and I show you when my glaze sculpture is ready.
Oh no, my eyes.
Okay. So my little frog is glazed. How about yours?
Mine too.
Yours
So
too?
here's mine.
Here's my little frog.
And Ryan's.
And Ryan's frog. So we're going to come back with a lot of nice pictures. How our sculpture turned out. So
yeah, bye.
bye, and please like and subscribe the video because we love to be motivated
And
to make more videos like
And make
this.
sure to comment down below. Bye.
Bye.